Namaste. Welcome to shylaji.com. I'm Shaila Vasunath. First and foremost, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers, and all those who are giving me this encouragement and support. My parents or teachers or children who are studying and learning through these videos. I would like to thank each and every one in India and all over. So you're wondering for what I'm thanking. Yes, because I have finally reached 1 lakh views. So it's a big milestone for me because I've never done a video or anything before, no experience in that. Maybe I had faced a mic, I had spoken in my school and all that, but then doing a photo shoot is totally different compared to that. And doing that, and within 9 months I've achieved this 1 lakh views. I don't know how, really I should thank all my viewers. Thank you for your support, and I will really be doing after this also. I will not stop my educational videos. I will keep giving you a lot of quality videos where all kinds of people will be able to learn something interesting, something knowledgeable in a fun way for kids too. So coming to that point, talking about kids, today I have done a special video. I'll talk about it later, but before that, you all are anxiously waiting for the answers for these questions which I had given in the previous video. So now I will be giving it. Many of you had given me answers for the first part of the quiz, but second part you found it difficult. I know why you found it difficult, because in English your pronunciation was not to the mark. So because of that you found it difficult to mention the correct vowel for those sounds. Now I'll help you how to go about it. Now I've given here write Hindi words. Okay, write Hindi words. Now here, many of you have, whoever had given me the answers in the comment box, excellent. Now see here, I have given A, because this is A, and then it is E. A-E. A-E. It is actually A means come. The past tense, feminine and past tense is ai. That means she came. Sita ai. So that way when you say, it is this. Now here, same way a, and it is a big O. So it is a-o, a-o, a-o. See the pronunciation? It is not a-o. Wo, you say no, it's not wo, it is ao, ao. Okay, o. Now ao means in imperative form. That is your request, or I mean it's not a request, it's an order. You are telling to someone, come here, you call, right? You come. So that only come is ao. The next one is simple, a. Okay, this is the root verb. Root verb a. So a means come. With this root verb only we were able to make all these verbs. Now the next one is a. I've given a here. So it is a means they came. A is plural past tense, and it is masculine. This is feminine, this is masculine plural. Now the next one, wonderfully you people have answered me, good guess or understood well. So now this is E, short, right? Perfectly you people had written E, A. So the pronunciation will be I-E-A, I-E-A, I-E-A. I-E-A means please come. This is A-O, this is I-E-A. So this is without respect, this is with respect. So hereafter you can also I-E-A. So you can you have learnt a new word also. I-E-A, come, please come. Now here These 5 you have done it correctly. Wonderful. Good going from all my viewers. Now coming to this one. Many of you all had done mistake in this. It is not ka. It is not ko. It is ka. It is cauliflower. Cauliflower. So it is a. It is a for this. AU, ca, Australia. So that Auckland. So that only a. So cauliflower. Flower. Fleur. So what is it? It is a. Some of you have written O because it is O here. No. The pronunciation you should know it's flower. So fleur. Fleur, it is not flow. The next one. Many of you do mistake in this. You pronounce it wrong. You say onion. That is the reason when I had underlined this, keeping that in mind only, I had given you these words I had underlined. Now, it is not onion. It is onion. Onion or onions. Now, onion. So, it will be the first letter will be A. And the second one will be E. Onion. Okay, onion. So next time, don't make mistake in pronunciation of this vegetable, and it is not vegetable, it's vegetable. Vegetable. Okay, vegetable. So it is onion. Okay, onion. The next one, you all have written it correct. It is, because you say cake. A. Now this again. Many of you had written O. You said sponge. No, it's sponge. Sponge. Okay? So it is again a sponge. Okay? That is why what you should do is, if you click this word and you ask in the pronunciation of this in British English, you will get it only for this word. If you see, you put in YouTube, you go to YouTube or in Google, you put this word sponge and you ask for pronunciation in British English. It will give you put your earphones and listen, you will get the correct pronunciation. It is not sponge, it is sponge. So again you went wrong. That's why as I was giving it, I was thinking what words to give, and I gave again here. You all made a mistake. Many of you pronounce this as almond. Almond. That's why you wrote this as A and this as O. It is wrong again. It is A. Okay, now here this is correct, but L is silent. You have to pronounce it as almond, not almond. No L sound. It is almond. So when you say mund, it is only a there. So when you say mund, it is only a. So almond. Okay. Now don't make mistake again. It is almond. Now this one, it is, some of you had written A. There is no sir. It is sir. But what we do, sar, we say. Wrong. Colloquially we pronounce it that way, but actually it is sir. Sir. So what is the sound there? It is sir, sir, So it is sir, Now see, the pronunciation mistakes will lead you to the wrong sounds. That is why when you are doing it, you have to pronounce it right. Now, we have finished the quiz for the last video, and now for coming to today's video, I told I have some surprises. Yes, we have completed all the vowels, or 11 plus 2, 13 vowels we had completed. Now you need to know that particularly this is for the babies or the kids who are up to second standard, no, for them. Now for elders all, this all would be helpful, but then for kids of LKG, UKG, first standard or second standard, they might not understand everything. So I thought we can do it with a song. These vowels will be taught in a form of a rhyme. Okay, now for this I have to give credits to many people who have done this, particularly the lyricist. Actually, these lyrics were written by my sister, who is also a Hindi teacher and HOD. So she had written this Kavita, and her name also is Kavita, and she has written this. I didn't want to do any copies, so I wanted to make it our own. So the lyrics were written by her. The song was sung by my KG teacher. So maybe, I think she has done excellent job. So I appreciate it. So thank you so much, Sundar Lakshmi. She is the teacher who had given that song rendering. Then the music was composed by my old student, Nihar Krishna. So thank you so much for giving that music. And my music teacher, Shravanti, who merged all these together. And I would like to thank all these people who had supported me to make this song. So many people, always when things get successful, behind that success there are so many people who work for it. So I would like to thank all these people, and my editor, who I'll never forget at all, because without whom nothing is possible for me over here, and always who's beside me is my better half, my husband, so who supported me to do this. So thank you all. Now this song, I would like all the children to learn it, practice it well. Parents, whoever is training your child for Hindi, please make your child to learn this song, practice the tune well, and learn the vowels easily without any difficulty. So if there is any, this is my first try for audio and video. I have never done this before, so it was just a trial and error. Please give your feedback. In case it comes out well and you are happy with it, then surely we will be doing more and more rhymes and song videos for the kids. Now please watch the song and the video.
से अनार के लाल है दाने, आ से आम मेरे लाल लगो खाने, से इमली की डाल पर लगो चटनी, ई से ईख की मिठास को लगो चखने, उ से उल्लू की आंखें हैं गोल गोल, ऊ से ऊन के चादर पर डोल डोल, री से ऋषि करे जब तब जब तब जब तब जब तब, ए से एड़ी चले टप 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 टप, आ से ऐनक राहे नाक पर गुपचुप गुपचुप, ओ से ओखली उछली ऊपर नीचे ऊपर, ओ से औरत डोली आगे पीछे आगे, अंग से अंगूर केचक को सब रस, अह से हंसकर बोलो अब बस बस, अह से हंसकर बोलो अब बस बस, हा 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 हा।
Okay, I think you watched the song and the video. Did you like it? Okay, liking apart, I hope you grasp the song. And children, you have to practice this rhyme. You keep practicing it again and again. The lyrics are a little catchy, so you will be able to remember what song it was and about e, all that. So you should start singing this song daily. You keep practicing it, and you will be thorough with your letters, that is vowels. All the 13 vowels you'll be thorough with. Okay, now we have come to the end of the video. Now let us, as I've started with the quiz, so I thought let me give another quiz for you people. If you want, you can just have a screenshot of it, and then you can work it out and then come back to do it. If you're right with the answers, you can post it in the comment box so that I will answer you whether it is right or wrong. Now the first quiz, replace the Hindi vowel with English one. So I have given in between, I have given Hindi vowel. Okay, Hindi vowel I have given. You have to replace it with the English vowel. How? Like I've given here the letter. I'm not going to sound it for you because I had done 3 videos and I've done a rhyme or a song video. So with that, your answers all should be right. So I've given here in between, I've given, you have to find out what English vowel could it be here. Okay, so you have to find out and write it. I've given 5 words for it. The way you pronounce, you will replace a letter there. Okay, now coming to the second quiz. The second quiz is on the left. I had given you some Hindi vowels. Hindi vowels I've given. Now on the right, I've given you some words. Now here the first vowel which I've given, in these words, one will match. So which one would match, you have to find out. Whether 1 is matching, 2 is matching, I won't tell you. Okay, so you have to pronounce it loudly and you have to check which one is the right one. Maybe 1 is right or 2 is right. That's your decision to do. Now the same way I've given here one letter. Here I've underlined also. So with that you have to find out which word represents this sound. Isn't it interesting? Yeah, it is interesting. So let me see how many of you are going to give me the answers, and next video I'll be giving you the answers for this one. Keep trying, you will definitely get all right. Okay, next video will be another interesting video and something different. So before I don't want to tell or break the suspense. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get my latest notification. Namaste.